Video, I'll be showing you how to set up classes. To set up classes, you'll simply navigate to Setup, Setup Services, and Setup Classes. In here, you'll click Add New, and you'll type in a class name and the duration of the class in minutes, the max number of attendees for that class, the price per attendee, the online facing name, and then of course a description of what they can expect in that class, and then go ahead and click Save. In addition to that, you'll need to go to Setup, Setup Workers, Worker Details, select the worker, go to Services tab, find the Classes drop-down, and then select that class for offering in-store and or online. Once you go ahead and click Save, that class will be able to be scheduled and booked online. Thank you for watching and have a great day.